This is the American bred class at the Skipper Key Nationals on Tuesday. I think this is the Michigan specialty. We have dog number 59, Sheridan the Gentle Spirit, call name Brother, is handled by Diane Harris. Diane is wearing her Calvin Klein Couture and her normal beautiful shoes.
She's got silver shoes
instead of gold today. Brother on the table. Yep, there, Brother. Obedience coming into play here. There we go. Don't say stand, Diane. Good boy. Beautiful. What happened?
Oh, no.
Our second dog of the class just walked out of the room.
See what happened?
I'm sorry.
I don't know. This class is going to end up being longer than we expected. And I think Brother just got first place. Still don't know what happened, but he got first place. Good job, Brother. Good job, Diane.